Hello mindful foodies, Inga from Health Origins here. So today it's an exciting experiment. We're gonna be making a TikTok popular video, nature cereal. Look at this beauty.
So this is such a simple concept. You choose whatever fruit you have or you like. So I've chopped up some pear, I've chopped up some melon here, I washed some blueberries, raspberries, I've chopped up some strawberries here, some I've chopped up some orange, and I've got 2 coconuts. So if you can get a green, like a young coconut, that's best. But all I can get these days, well, you know, in our supermarkets is these kind of mature coconuts, if you like. So what I did, where, you know, I washed this surface, and then where there was the biggest hole, I've just kind of, it's easily, you can take out the bit of coconut and the bit of that skin of the coconut with the knife. And all I'm going to do, I'm going to just pour the milk out. And I'm gonna first taste test it to make sure, I might need to sieve it, but to make sure that it's actually good, because sometimes if you get a bad coconut, you don't want to pour it without taste testing it. You don't want to pour it over your fruit. So that's from 1 coconut. I'm gonna get a second glass and do the second, from the second coconut, because I'm gonna be making 2 bowls for me and Mark. I've just tasted that and this is delicious, nice and sweet. So that's definitely a good coconut. So I'm gonna try that one as well. Yeah, so this water is good as well. So I'm gonna just proceed making my cereal now. So all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be adding a bit of each. So some berries, some blueberries, just probably a half amount of each into my bowl. The orange here. And that is it. That's our nature cereal. And all I'm gonna do is just pour this lovely coconut water on it. And if you have more coconut water, you can buy it in cartons as well anyway, and you can pour a little bit more on, but I'll just use a little bit from here. And that is literally it.
So yeah, so it's literally you know, a fruit salad that I normally make, plus an addition of coconut water. So that will be interesting to try. This is my first time trying this as well. So I think it should be really tasty actually, because like I say, it's all goodness. It's all rainbow fruits with the addition of coconut water. So let's give it a taste test. Wow, that is really delicious. The coconut water adds that little bit of sweetness, obviously adds some more hydration to your morning. Yeah, it just is really nice. So this will be a nice change up for our morning smoothies once in a while, maybe on the weekends. So yeah, it's a thumbs up from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and comment what you thought of it. If you're new here, welcome to the channel, and subscribe for more videos and experiments on Wednesdays and Saturdays. And as always, remember, food is fuel, so be mindful of what you put in the body. Until next time.